Today I want to talk about pastures. I'm going to have several, as you can see by the inlay here. The main pasture runs east and west, is fronted by the road, and is fronted by a hillside that's got some pretty steep stuff on it. I haven't actually been on it yet, but I'm fairly certain a lot of it looks like this behind me. So it's going to have to be reclaimed. It's going to have grass added to it. It'll have to be weeded, and I'm fairly certain it's covered with scrub, oak scrub and hickory scrub and pretty much everything else you can think of. We got another one to the south of that, the south end of the property, as you can see here. I want to expand that to cover the whole portion of our land there, extended all the way to the east fence line to give us a little more. I don't want to take out all the timber, that's dumb. And it is pretty steep in there in some spots. So we'll have to see what we can do with that. We got one in the northeast corner, as you can obviously see. The one in the northeast corner, I'm not sure what I want to do with that. We've got plans that may coincide with that, so I may just thin out the scrub and put some food plots in it. And for you people in Missouri, you know what that means. Well, for you people in the United States, you know what that means. Food plots you plant to bring the wildlife in, specifically deer. It'll bring in birds too. But because of the fact that at this point in time we can't afford a tractor, and it's probably going to be at least a year or so down the line, we'll probably have to contract it out to get it bush hog to start with, and then maintain it by hand, which I know it's a lot of work. It's a crap ton of work, but we don't really have any alternative at this point. Now, it's not pressing to have the pastures done because the house has got to be done first. But it's something that I have to plan ahead of time, whether it's to be bush hogged or possibly running goats on it to clear it. Just one of those things to consider that most people may or may not take a gander at when they do it themselves. But, it'll be a lot of work, but it'll be good exercise, and I've kind of turned him into an old fat man here lately, so it'll be good. Alright, thank you. If you like what you see in our various videos, subscribe. If you want to get a notification, click the bell. If you look down in the description, we opened up a shirt shop that's got some basic stuff on it at this point. Have a good day.